Are you sick of chasing clients who never reply? You send a cold email, you rehearse the perfect LinkedIn pitch, you follow up 3 times, and the reward? A polite brush off if you're lucky. It's exhausting, it's awkward, and honestly, it's beneath the level of expertise you bring to the table. You probably already know this, but clients hate being chased. They want to find you, already vetted, already trusted, already positioned as the go-to expert. Which means that the very thing you're grinding away at, all the outreach, might actually be repelling the clients you're trying to win. So, I'm going to show you why cold outreach is losing its edge, if it hasn't already lost it, and what's quietly replacing it. It's not more hustle, it's not some clever script or template, it's something that looks boring on the surface but builds unstoppable leverage beneath it. And once you see it, you won't want to go back to anything else. Most consultants treat client acquisition like fishing with a broken net. You're out there every day, casting messages into the void, emails, DMs, cold calls, hoping 1 or 2 will slip through. You're patching holes between sales calls, trying new bait onto the same tired line, and convincing yourself it's just a numbers game. But deep down, you know this is not sustainable. You're spending hours fishing and coming home with minnows. Now, while you're hustling on the surface, the clients you actually want are scrolling, are watching, and are searching. Not for a pitch, but for proof, for presence, for someone who clearly knows what they're talking about before they ever say a word. That's the real shift happening right now. There is a different kind of fishing going on, one that doesn't involve chasing at all. And in a minute, I'll show you what that looks like. But first, you need to see just how much opportunity is leaking out of the holes in your current net. Honestly, just a year ago, I was that guy sending 50 cold emails a day. I would refresh my inbox like it was a slot machine. And honestly, I won nothing. The only replies I'd get were not interested or take me off your list. Maybe a Calendly link once in a while, if I got lucky and said all the right things in just the right order. I was burning hours trying to earn credibility from scratch every single day. And it soon started to feel like I was begging rather than selling. The shift happened when a prospect booked a call and quoted my own video back to me. They already trusted me. I didn't have to pitch. I didn't have to persuade them. They were just like, how can we work together? That's when I realized that cold outreach might get me attention, but authority gets me inbound. And since then, I changed my entire strategy. Now, imagine your business as a lighthouse, not a speedboat. Most people approach client acquisition like they're piloting a speedboat. They zigzag across the water, scanning the horizon for leads, chasing blips on the radar. It's fast, reactive, and drains fuel like crazy. Cold outreach is a speedboat move. You burn through time and energy just trying to spot someone who might need what you do. But the businesses that attract high-quality, pre-sold clients are the lighthouses. Those are stationary, consistent, and impossible to ignore if you're sailing nearby. Instead of chasing, they emit a steady signal, content that builds trust, demonstrates expertise, and makes the right people come to them. Maybe not today, but when the timing is right. And the brighter and more focused the light, the less effort it takes to get noticed. That's the shift. From chasing dozens of maybe leads to being seen by the exact people already searching for someone like you. And I'll show you what this looks like in practice and how to set up your own signal. So, how do you go from cold caller to authority builder without needing a full-blown content team or a decade of free time? Here's the simple roadmap. 3 levels. Each one stacks on the last. There's no overwhelm, just forward motion. Level 1 is the signal. This is where you stop chasing and start broadcasting. Your only goal here is to create one piece of helpful content a week. Not fancy, not viral, just useful. Think, what do my best clients always ask me? Then answer it on camera. You want to focus on clarity, consistency, and showing up every week. The mindset shift here is simple. From how do I get leads to how do I become discoverable. Level 2 is your system. Once you're sending a clear signal, it's time to build structure around it. You'll batch content, build a simple email list, and set up a basic follow-up process. Now your visibility turns into conversations on autopilot. The mindset shift here again is from post and pray to create once and compound forever. And the third level, it's the scale. This is optional but extremely powerful. You now have proof that your content, your signal works, and you want to delegate. You may hire a part-time editor, you streamline your production, and you double down on the formats that bring in your best fit clients. So again, the mindset shift here is from solo creator to authority-led business. You want to start where you are. Build one level at a time. The lighthouse doesn't shine brighter overnight, but it does get seen by the right ships every single day. If you've been running your business like a speedboat, zigzagging from prospect to prospect, burning through time and patience, you're not alone. Most of us were taught that the only way to grow is to grind. But now you've seen there is another way. You can step off the chase. You can build a lighthouse instead, one piece of content at a time. You don't have to shout louder. You just have to shine consistently. Because the right clients aren't looking for the noisiest person in the room. They're looking for someone they can trust, someone who shows up with clarity, depth, and real value. And that can be you. If this approach resonates, start small. Pick one topic, make one video, and if you want a framework to follow or a bit of guidance along the way, I'll leave a link below to help you go deeper. But either way, don't go back to the grind. Start building your signal. Your future clients are already looking for it.